In a world where AI handles everything from drive-through orders to photo enhancement, most people are missing out on its true potential. While 200 million users interact with ChatGPT weekly, few know how to unlock its superhuman capabilities for their own goals. This summary is your practical guide to mastering the art of AI conversation. You'll discover proven frameworks that transform vague requests into precise instructions, turning AI from a frustrating black box into a reliable 24/7 assistant. Whether you're crafting business strategies, planning vacations, or solving daily challenges, you'll learn to communicate with AI tools like a pro. Have you ever wondered why talking to AI can feel so frustratingly hit or miss, even when you're asking perfectly reasonable questions? The answer lies in a fundamental misunderstanding about what AI actually is. Over the past few years, we've witnessed an extraordinary leap from simple pattern recognition systems to sophisticated generative models that can write, create art, and hold conversations. Today, AI is able to do many cognitive tasks as well as humans, and some even better than us. Because of this, most people approach AI as if it were human, and that's where things go wrong. Think of AI like a brilliant student who's memorized every textbook but never lived in the real world. They have a lot of knowledge, but zero real-life experience. So how do they really work? Under the hood, these systems use natural language processing, or NLP, to break down your words into analyzable chunks, while language models, or LMs, construct responses by predicting what should come next based on vast training data. It's essentially an incredibly sophisticated autocomplete system that's learned patterns from billions of human conversations. The real breakthrough came with generative AI. Unlike earlier systems that simply recognized patterns, think Netflix recommendations based on your viewing history, today's AI can create entirely new content. It doesn't just identify a tree in a photo, it can paint you a forest of unique trees that never existed before. But AI is still essentially a mirror reflecting the data it was trained on, complete with human biases and errors. When it hallucinates, confidently stating false information, it's not lying, it's genuinely pattern matching incorrectly. This is why double-checking critical details remains essential. The key to effective prompting lies in understanding this nature. Instead of expecting human-like reasoning, approach AI as a powerful pattern recognition tool that needs clear, specific instructions. When you provide context, are explicit about what you want, and treat it as the sophisticated but ultimately mechanical system it is, you'll unlock far better results from your interactions. Have you ever asked someone for help only to receive something completely different from what you had in mind? Perhaps you've requested assistance with a project but received generic advice that missed the mark entirely. Or asked for creative input but got something bland and formulaic instead. If so, you've experienced the frustration of poor communication. Most people struggle to communicate effectively with AI, often treating it like a search engine or expecting it to read their minds. But there's a simple approach, used by the most successful AI users, that consistently delivers better results. It comes down to understanding that AI is like a highly capable but literal assistant who needs clear, specific instructions to excel. Think of ordering at a restaurant. When you simply ask for soup, you're leaving everything to chance. Even a skilled server is most likely to guess wrong. The same principle applies to AI interactions. Instead of vague requests, successful users provide rich detail about their needs, background, and desired outcomes. The first secret to effective AI interaction is to begin each new task with a clean slate. Don't let previous conversations muddy the waters. Second, most queries benefit enormously from context. Instead of asking for a cover letter for a senior management position, paint the full picture. What's your background? Who's the audience? What tone do you want to strike? The richer your details, the better your results. Lastly, one of AI's most powerful features is its ability to adopt different personas. Need motivation for your workout? Ask it to channel Arnold Schwarzenegger's legendary intensity. Want elegant prose? Request the crisp, understated style of Ernest Hemingway. This flexibility transforms AI from a generic assistant into a specialized expert tailored to your needs. You can remember these beginner tips by using a simple initialism: role, task, context, ask, or RTCA. Give the AI a specific role, clearly define your task, provide relevant context, then specify any additional requirements. For example, as Arnold Schwarzenegger, create a weekly gym schedule for a busy parent with limited time who wants general fitness and muscle growth. This approach transforms vague requests into precise instructions, ensuring you get exactly the help you need. Most people treat AI like Google, firing off short, search engine-style queries and expecting magic. They type something like marketing strategies or how to lose weight and receive generic, cookie-cutter responses that barely scratch the surface. This approach completely misses the incredible potential of conversational artificial intelligence, which thrives on context, nuance, and structured dialogue. The solution lies in understanding that great AI interactions aren't about asking perfect single questions. Instead, they're about creating structured conversations through prompt chaining, breaking complex requests into manageable steps that help the AI think more clearly and deliver better results. Think of it like cooking an elaborate meal. You wouldn't throw all ingredients into a pot simultaneously and hope for the best. Instead, you'd follow a recipe step by step. Prep the vegetables, season the meat, build flavors gradually. Prompt chaining works the same way, guiding AI through a logical sequence rather than overwhelming it with everything at once. Several powerful techniques can transform your AI interactions. Chain of thought prompting asks the AI to show its reasoning, like requesting a step-by-step walkthrough of a math problem. Few-shot prompting provides examples to demonstrate your desired style and format. Reflection prompting encourages the AI to revise and improve its initial response based on specific criteria. For complex projects, cascade prompting breaks large tasks into smaller components. Instead of asking for a complete children's story, you might first request character development, then setting, then plot structure, finally weaving everything together. Tree of thought prompting generates multiple solutions and evaluates each option's merits. Goal-driven prompting provides clear objectives, telling the AI you want to see maximum historical sites during a 3-day Roman vacation will yield a much more focused itinerary. Meanwhile, verification prompting with phrases like fact-check this or examine the accuracy helps ensure reliable information. The key lesson here is not to settle for first attempts. Guide the AI through thoughtful sequences and you'll unlock dramatically better results. It's easy to treat AI like a mere business tool for spreadsheets and emails. But if you limit your ChatGPT use to professional tasks, you're missing out on a personal assistant that can transform how you manage your entire life. For instance, you could start by playing around with tips on time management and productivity. Instead of juggling endless to-do lists in your head, let ChatGPT craft a realistic daily schedule that actually fits your commitments. The paid version even offers specialized productivity coaches that can adapt to your specific work style and challenges. Going even beyond that, AI can become your personal development partner. Do you want to make more space for self-reflection in your life? Ask ChatGPT for 5 thought-provoking questions about your life satisfaction, or request journaling prompts that help you process your experiences. It's like having a thoughtful friend who always knows the right questions to ask. Goal setting becomes remarkably more achievable with AI support. Say you want to run a marathon in 12 months. ChatGPT can not only suggest a training plan, it can break down weekly targets, recommend nutrition strategies, and even propose ways to track progress and stay motivated when your enthusiasm wanes. Perhaps most surprisingly, AI can improve your relationships. Before sending that angry text to your partner, try asking ChatGPT to help you rephrase it more constructively. Describe a workplace conflict and get perspective on what you might have handled differently, plus concrete steps for moving forward. Family life gets easier too. Planning a vacation becomes less overwhelming when AI handles the research and logistics. Need creative ways to get kids excited about chores? ChatGPT delivers. It can generate educational geography quizzes for your children, adapt recipes for dietary restrictions, or organize your grocery list by store layout. AI goes beyond mere efficiency. it can enhance the human experience across every aspect of your life. Have you ever wondered why some companies seamlessly integrate AI into their operations, while others end up with viral failures? Take McDonald's attempt at AI-powered drive-thrus. One infamous video showed the system relentlessly ordering 260 chicken nuggets for a bewildered customer who desperately tried to stop it. Even for more simple tasks, the difference between success and disaster often comes down to effective prompting. With roughly 72% of organizations already using AI for work, mastering this skill has become essential. ChatGPT can transform how you handle everything from market research to customer communication, but only if you know how to communicate with it properly. The secret lies in teaching AI to sound authentically human. Since you often don't want people to know you're using AI assistants, your prompts need to capture your unique voice. So start by sharing your personal style. Include signature phrases, writing samples, or specific tone descriptors like conversational or professional. This helps ChatGPT mirror your communication style naturally. For business applications, focus on direct, natural language while avoiding unnecessary complexity. ChatGPT excels at practical tasks when given clear direction. Need customer profiles for a sales campaign? Ask it to create detailed personas, then have it craft cold calling scripts tailored to each segment. Looking to boost marketing efforts? It can generate compelling slogans, social media content, or advertising copy. The key is chaining your prompts strategically. Rather than asking for everything at once, build structured conversations that develop ideas progressively. For instance, start with cost-cutting analysis, then ask for implementation strategies, followed by timeline planning. Whether you're managing customer relationships, analyzing finances, or developing products, AI becomes a powerful collaborator when you learn to prompt effectively. The organizations thriving with AI are those who've mastered the art of clear, strategic communication with their digital assistants. AI offers limitless possibilities for transforming how you work and live. From automating routine tasks to generating creative solutions, AI can become your most versatile assistant. But like any powerful tool, it comes with important caveats that smart users need to understand. The technology remains imperfect. Even advanced models like ChatGPT-4, which can browse the internet and verify sources, still make errors. That's why you'll notice the disclaimer about checking important information. It's not just legal protection, it's practical advice. When you spot mistakes, don't hesitate to correct the AI or report issues. Think of it as training a very capable but occasionally confused intern. One of AI's biggest blind spots is context and bias. Unlike humans, AI doesn't truly understand the nuances of situations, so it might perpetuate stereotypes or miss cultural subtleties. Combat this by providing rich background information and asking the AI to analyze its own responses from multiple angles. Request it to identify potential drawbacks or alternative perspectives. This metacognitive approach often yields more balanced results. Remember that AI isn't human, despite its conversational abilities. Don't expect genuine emotional intelligence. It can simulate qualities like empathy, but the understanding isn't authentic. Privacy deserves serious consideration too. While AI companies promise data protection, history suggests caution with tech giants. Avoid sharing sensitive personal, financial, or confidential information. Instead, abstract your prompts or create fictional scenarios that mirror your real situation. Consider using temporary chat features or disabling memory functions to limit data retention. Ultimately, AI works best when you treat it as what it is, a sophisticated tool that amplifies your capabilities rather than replaces your judgment. Stay engaged, stay critical, and stay in control.